Hi guys, I hope you all are doing extremely well. So in today's video, I'm going to share my morning skincare routine and my night skincare routine for summers with you all. So if you are interested in knowing that, keep on watching. So the first thing that I do after waking up is wash my face with this face wash. It is from the Face Shop and I'll link it down in the description. It is a great face wash not only for summers but also for winters. So just after washing my face, I toned my face with this toner from Iba, but right now I have completed this one, so I have another one with me, but I absolutely recommend the Iba one. The Body Shop one is only good if you have acne prone skin and if your skin is on the oilier side. If your skin is on the dry side, it will make it more dry. So yeah, it's good for acne prone skin and it's also good if you have fungal acne. So until I get my new Iba bottle, I'll be using this one. After that, again we have one more Iba product in my favorites and it is this Iba Advanced Active Skin Tone Perfecting Gel Creme. Now this one is very light and it has really gel kind of texture which is not at all heavy on the skin, which I absolutely love. Especially during summers when your skin tends to get really oily, this one is a great option. At this point of time, I also give my skin a little bit of a massage to wake it up. The last step is sunscreen and I feel is the most important one also. I'm going to use the Iba Invisible SPF 50 sunscreen, which is amazing. It does not give white cast and it is great on the skin. It's very light and it leaves no greasy feeling to the face or leaves your face sweaty or oily. It's perfect for summers and it also has 50 SPF, which means it will last you for a good 4 to 5 hours without reapplying. Also, one more tip I would like to give you is that you don't need sunscreen only when you are stepping out. You also need sunscreen when you are indoors, when you are exposed to UV rays. I mean that if it's a day, you need sunscreen because there are UV rays in the environment that can damage your skin. So that was it for my morning routine. Now coming to the evening skincare, I think evening skincare is so important because you need to get rid of all the dust, all the grime, all the makeup that you have put on throughout the day and sleep with a clean and fresh face so that your skin can repair and regenerate overnight. So to start off with, I'm going to double cleanse my skin. Double cleansing means you need to cleanse your face with an oil-based cleanser first and then cleanse your face with a foaming face wash or foaming cleanser. So I'm using this one from Dear Klairs and it is such an amazing product. I cannot stop raving about it. I've been using this one for years and what I love about this product is that with the cleansing properties, it also has some skincare benefits involved with such great ingredients in it. So I typically take 2 pumps and massage it all over my face, melt all my makeup and then use either a cotton pad or pad just like this one I've shown in the video, and I try to remove the makeup with that. I think a wet cotton pad works great also. Coming to the second step of the double cleansing and my nighttime skincare routine is this face wash, which is from Simple and it is a very gentle face wash. It cleanses the skin really nicely without leaving it extremely dry. Now coming to the third step, which is a serum. I'm using this one from Dr. Sate's. It is the Niacinamide and Centella serum and it is a great serum if you have textured oily skin. So I like to keep my serums and my actives in my nighttime skincare routine and not use it throughout the day because I think my skin gets really sensitive if I use actives in the day. And I honestly feel that serums work better if you use them at night. However, this is completely my opinion. I've seen people use it throughout the day and see results. So yeah, it actually depends. And lastly, to hydrate my face, I'm going to use the EBA moisturizer again, which I used in the morning skincare routine. Now this will help you seal in all the moisture and goodness of all the previous skincare that we did into your skin. Also, always remember, whenever you're massaging your face, always massage upwards and never downwards, because massaging downwards will lead to wrinkles and saggy skin. Now the little last step that we have is a lip balm. I'm using this one from Juicy Chemistry and I've been using this for a long time. It helps to repair your cracked lips, which is great. And with this, we are done with our night skincare routine. Also, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video and found it helpful, and you might have found the products which you were looking for and asking me for from such a long time. Thank you so much for watching this video, and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye.